You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome back to The Vocal Technologist. It's our Product Thursdays session, and today we're diving into design and user experience.
Yep, lots to cover. We've got some future tech ideas, some actual product tweaks, and this whole shifting role of designers.
Exactly. We're going to try and connect those dots, see how we keep design focused on, well, people, even as the tech gets wilder.
It's all about how products get made, how they get better, and, why some things just click with us.
Okay, let's kick off with the future stuff. Microsoft's David Weston, he's talking about Windows 2030.
Oh, yeah, the multimodal AI thing.
Right, where computers see what we see, hear what we hear, moving past mouse and keyboard using advanced voice commands. It sounds ambitious for 2030.
Ambitious is one word for it. The tech needed for that, to really understand context like a human, that's a huge leap.
You think 2030 is realistic for that level of seeing and hearing AI?
Getting it right by then.
Yeah.
Reliable, intuitive, trustworthy, that feels like a stretch. The potential's there, definitely, but the practical side is tough.
And it's not all just future gazing, is it? We're seeing real hardware changes now, like the Google Pixel Buds 2a leaks.
Right, the refreshed case, new colors.
Yeah.
I think iris purple was mentioned.
Yeah, looks quite nice, actually. Plus active noise cancellation, spatial audio.
ANC, yeah. And that 3D sound effect.
Exactly, and a 7-hour battery. Small improvements, but they add up for the daily experience.
Totally. It's that iterative refinement. And we see that on the software side, too.
Absolutely. Like iOS 26 Beta 6, they're tweaking the liquid glass look.
Making things more translucent.
Yeah, the lock screen clock changes with the wallpaper. Text is clearer on tab bars, more of those chromatic color effects.
It's all polish, isn't it? Making the interface feel smoother, more sophisticated.
Which brings us to the designers, right? All these changes, future visions, they really highlight the UX challenges.
They really do. And, AI is a big part of that conversation now. It's sort of a double-edged sword for design teams. Well, leadership often wants AI integrated fast. But the designers actually building design systems, they're more cautious. Like 3.3 out of 5 confidence, apparently.
Okay, so cautious optimism.
Exactly. And the interesting idea floating around is using design systems to actually train AI, not just letting AI spit out designs.
Train the AI. So feed it the rules, the components, the brand's logic.
Precisely. So the AI understands the why, not just mimics the what. It helps keep things intentional, human-centered, avoids those soulless experiences people worry about.
That makes sense. Designing with AI, not handing over the reins completely.
Right.
But, even with all this focus, why do so many digital experiences still kind of suck sometimes?
Yeah, it's the perennial question, isn't it? Often it comes down to basics. Underinvestment in UX.
Designers maybe not having enough experience or being left out of key technical talks.
Exactly. It's seen as this massive missed opportunity, potentially trillions, for creating genuinely good experiences.
And that ties into how designers themselves evolve, doesn't it? Moving from just advocating for the user
To also getting the business side. ROI, strategy, what's technically possible.
Yeah. Some might call it selling out, but really it's about speaking the language of the business, right? To get things done.
It is. Learning to talk about value, metrics, constraints. That's how designers get more influence, make a bigger impact for everyone, including users.
And part of that impact comes from good user research, which isn't just about getting a yes or no.
Oh, definitely not. Stakeholders might want that simple validation, but the real gold is in the nuances.
Understanding the why behind what users do, the strengths, the weaknesses of an idea.
Exactly. Rich, qualitative stuff, not just unreliable yes-no answers. You need the story behind the data.
So pulling it all together,
Yeah.
what's the big picture for design? It feels like it demands a lot these days. Technical know-how.
Business smarts and that core human empathy, always.
Right, from AI features to, say, Vinted tweaking its brand colors, that Calypso green and mint to feel more unified. It's way beyond just how things look.
It really is. The future isn't just about what tech can do. It's about what designers choose to make it do, intentionally, for people.
So the challenge for you listening in is maybe to think about that balance. How do you, or how will designers you work with, balance all this new potential with real human intention?
Yeah, how do we create experiences that are genuinely meaningful in this, pretty complex world we're building? Something to chew on.
Spoken tech for your ears.